Hey guys, here's a 54-inch Hunter Caribbean Breeze ceiling fan in the white finish. This fan has white wicker blades with a wicker light kit. This one specifically is a newer one. This one's from the 20th week of 2013. This one came with the Hunter original. The lady offered it for free, so of course I took it. And I'm really not sure why they're replacing this one because it's practically brand new and it works just fine. It came with every single thing it needed to be installed. It's funny because fans that people give away are sometimes more complete than fans that I buy from people that actually want money from them, if that makes sense. But yeah, so anyway, try it out. Some light. There's 2 candelabra bulbs that came with it. And there's low speed. This fan goes pretty slow due to the large amount of weight on the blades. I believe these were, I think these are sold online for Lowe's, if I'm not too mistaken. And sorry, my dog's barking. And I have a Hunter West Indies, which is pretty much the Home and Depot version of this. And that one is in, I think, bronze. Now I have both variants of it, and I'm happy. Doesn't do a bad job on low speed. It hums, which kind of sucks, but whatever. It's medium. Fan was also very clean too. No dust was on it or anything like that. And I always thought these were pretty cool because if you have this on, the blades, I'm not sure if you could hear it on this speed, you might be able to. It kind of sounds like the ocean, just going back and forth. And it's really relaxing actually, but unfortunately, the hum kind of ruins that. If the fan didn't hum, this would be a pretty nice fan to have in your bedroom while you sleep. It's very relaxing. And here's high speed. You can probably hear it on this speed. Pretty sure this one goes faster than the West Indies I have. It doesn't do a bad job either. Hope you hear that sound. Stop it. And I will say, this Hunter mounting system they came out with, yeah, it's easy to use, but it really does not help the wobble at all because this thing still wobbles. There's the Hunter logo. And an easy way to tell if it's a Caribbean Breeze or a West Indies is the motor shape, because the West Indies has the square motor shape and this one just has a round motor shape. There's the light. The tags are up there. noticed also they changed the black with the white stripe wire to blue, which I guess is a good thing that Hunter did. But anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.